How to see who sent anonymous messages on NGL. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to see who sent anonymous messages on NGL. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. In here, look for an NGL link that you made. Then tap on the link itself. Once you're now here, you'll now be redirected to the NGL link. In here, give it an answer. Then click on Send. Once done, open your NGL application in your mobile device this time. Once you are now here, you'll be able to view your NGL messages. Now head on over to your inbox this time to show the answers. Now click on the application or the inbox itself. Now tap on the button who says, "Who sent this?" Now for you to be able to view it, you will need to subscribe to NGL Pro. Now there is also a possibility that those who view your story will be those who sent the messages over at NGL. So to view them, head on over to your Instagram and then go to your story and then click on the viewers. So a bigger possibility is that Rahim, my friend, was the one who gave out the answer. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this one. If you did, give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.